Hi everyone, this is Vini, and in today's video I'm going to tell you the story of our living room. So this started some 3 months back when we finally decided to give this space the warmth which was missing or which it needed. Starting from the furniture, selecting the curtains, selecting the decor items, selecting the cushion covers, everything took a lot of time. And I strongly believe that for a house to become a home, a cozy space really takes a lot of time. So because we were busy setting other parts of the house, so this little space had to wait. Now this is a separate living room as we enter the house. It has one large window, one stone finished texture wall, and the other side wall is a plain white wall. So we only had this basic sofa set and a center table in this room. So once we made up our minds on decorating this space, the toughest part was to select the color schemes. So after a lot of fights, discussion, permutations, combinations, we finally agree on selecting the colors which are closest to the nature. So greens, blues and some earthy tones were on our priority. So after deciding on the color scheme, we started working on our plan. The window side wall, we'll have full-length curtains here of 2 colors. The stone finished wall will have a large mirror. P-seater sofa will come here. This is going to be my plant house. I will put lots of plants here. And on the window side, we'll have a hanging plant. And here we'll have a floor lamp. The single sofa sets will come here. To make it look symmetrical, we'll have some plants on the other side also, and then some hanging lights on the wall. This is going to be our gallery wall. We'll have lots and lots of paintings here. Once we freezed our plan, I think half of our job was already done because we knew what we wanted, how we want to put it, everything. And then the fun part began, that is shopping. And the first item we got were these curtains in the combination of green and beige. So we got these curtains from a local shop. These are tailor-made. And these have this fine gold detail work going on, and they give a royal antique feel to the room. So after finalizing the curtains, then came the sofa upholstery. Now this was really tough to finalize because I know this is not going to change in the next 7 to 8 years, and I have to live with it even if I don't like it. So we took a lot of time on deciding on this, but we are very happy with the way this has turned out. It looks very beautiful, and I don't think I'll be changing it in near future. And I think only after these 2 major changes, the room started taking its shape. It started looking beautiful. We started spending time here. So none of my decor or makeovers are complete without DIYs. I love making things on my own, and for this room also I have done a lot of DIY. I got the idea and inspiration for these large paintings from Pinterest, and for this I'm using this large canvas and acrylic colors to paint the canvas. These paintings were available online, but they were costing very high, so I decided to make them on my own, and also I can have colors of my choice which can match my decor. Then we got these framed from a local shop and we'll put them on both sides of the window. The third DIY, we made a rope mirror. For this you need thick rope. We decided to put two colors, a thick piece of cardboard to hold the weight of the mirror, and of course the mirror, and some strong glue to hold the rope and the mirror in place. Firstly I marked a center on the cardboard and then with a very strong glue glued the mirror on it. Then I took the rope and started sticking it around the mirror. It took almost 24 hours for the glue to completely dry out. Now for the joints, I took this thin rope and for the to cover the joints, I took this thin rope and made a normal braid out of it, and I made 4 of these to make it look symmetrical. I had this jewelry box from my wedding which I never got a chance to use, so to give this a makeover I painted it all black and the opposite sides with orange color. I made a leaf pattern, overall leaf pattern, and then added some cute yellow flowers to give that pop of color. And then repeated the same floral and leaf pattern on the orange side also. So I'm really happy with the way this jewelry box has turned out. Actually, I didn't like the print on the box, so it was lying in my cupboard for the longest time because this is special. So I thought if I give this a little makeover, I might keep it on my desk or I might keep it on my side table. And of course, if it didn't turn out good, it will go back to the cupboard from where it came. And lastly, we ordered some paintings online, some art pieces, and most of them are from Amazon and Myntra. And this last one came just now when I was shooting for this video. This is a framed canvas painting and it's of decent quality. I like the print and the quality of the canvas. The next one is... So if you like this, I will share the links of all the products in the description box below, and these are all budget options, not very expensive, because I didn't want to spend a lot on the paintings, that I can mix and match them and use them in some other room also. completes my makeover, and I am so happy and satisfied with the way this has turned out. We couldn't have imagined this place to look like this 3 months back, and so we are all set to welcome a lot of friends and guests in our little cozy space. So before I end this video, let's have the YouTube ritual. So please hit the like button if you like this video, and if this gave you some ideas to bring your living space into a vibrant and a cozy corner of your house. And please subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, share it with your friends and family. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.